Se puso oscuro. Hi everyone, the word of the day is oscuro. Oscuro. This means dark or obscure. Oscuro is masculine and oscura is feminine. The plural form is oscuros or oscuras. Now let's see a few examples. La noche es oscura. La noche es oscura. Me gustan los colores oscuros. Me gustan los colores oscuros. Qué pensamiento tan oscuro. Qué pensamiento tan oscuro. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!